welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessica and welcome. In today's video, we are doing a shop my stash / trying out my new products from my last video of my haul. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I do a video every Sunday. And let's get this video on the road. Today's video is just going to be a shop my stash, trying out new products, kind of chilled, get ready with me. I'm going to Lowe's type of video. Not really doing much today. It's kind of gloomy and rainy. That's why the lighting, if the lighting's different, it's because I have to use more studio lighting because it's like, it's disgusting outside. Disgusting. So to start off my face, I purchased this new primer, well, a new to me, and it's by Milk, and it's the Hydro Grip Primer. I'm obsessed with it. Like, you can see I've used quite a bit of it. This primer, if you guys are not into sticky primers or tacky primers, this primer is not for you. So for a shop my stash item, I'm going in with the Black Radiance BB cream. This one is in Honey Amber. I used to use this all the time, like right out of high school. This would be my foundation because it is lightweight and it's just such a great product for, I believe it's like $6 at Walmart. It's such a great product. Oh my god, it's so good. I freaking love this. And like I said, this is only like $5 or $6 at Walmart, CVS. You cannot pass that up. A new product, I'm going in with the new Born This Way concealer that I got in Chai. This isn't a new concealer, but it's new to me. This color, take it, and I'm gonna go and cover my mustache for this section. For a shop my stash concealer, I'm going in with Dark 46. This is a ColourPop concealer, and that is what I'm going to use for under my eyes and down my nose. And around my nose too. Why not? Why not? For my eyebrows, I have nothing new, so I'm going in with the Wet n Wild, and we're just going to fast forward through this. Set them, I'm going in with my Shop My Stash product. This is Essence Make Me Brow. It's kind of like the Gimme Brow from Benefit, but affordable. But this is like the one thing I hate doing about my makeup is my brows, just because they're so problematic. I can't. To set my concealer, I'm going in with a Shop My Stash product. This is the Becca, this is the Hydro Mist. Yeah, the Hydro Mist powder, and this is in Golden Bronze. I freaking love this powder. This powder has like a cooling sensation to it. Ooh, I did a little too much, guys. I did a little too much. It's okay. It's okay. It all needs to be said anyway. For blush, I'm going in with a new product. This is from the Shop Miss A haul that I did. If you guys haven't seen it, I will post it right here. This is a AOA Perfect Blush, and this is in the shade Looker. I actually just opened it. It's really pretty. For highlight, I'm going in with a Shop My Stash product, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder, and this one is in the shade Crown My Canopy. I don't think I use these highlights enough to really have an opinion on them, so I need to start using them. Oh my god. Did you see that? Like the first initial. Whew. Okay. Okay. Sorry I slept on you. So I'm actually going to set this because I want my makeup to kind of seep in. So I'm going in with Your Skin But Better from IT Cosmetics. This is the With Skin Loving setting spray. It's hyaluronic acid, coconut water, and aloe vera extract. So we're going to actually go in. Set this to melt this in my skin. I've used this several times since I purchased it. I'm not a fan of the spray. The spray is a little harsh. I'm not a fan of it, but it smells so good and it actually like just soaks in my makeup and just like make it skin-like. This is Your Skin But Better, just saying. For a new product, I normally do not do this, as you guys can see in my videos, but I'm going in with eyeshadow primer. This is the e.l.f. All Day Stay. I don't think I've used this yet, so I'm going in, taking a little dab on both eyes and apply it. Bitch is not trying to do a lot of makeup. Like, I just want to do like a little bit, but not too much. Like, for my eyeshadow, this is a Shop My Stash, also a new product, because I have yet to use this palette. Don't judge me. This is the Latte 2 palette from IT Cosmetics. I have yet to use this palette and need to use it. So we're gonna go in. I'm gonna focus on these shades right here because I'm feeling this dark, kind of smoky, bronzy winter shades. So we're gonna focus on the shades down here. And yeah, let's get started. So the eyeshadow is done. I actually really like this color a lot. I went in with these dark shades in the crease. This is on my lid and this is in the inner corners. I like how it turned out. Kind of like the taupey colors here. So for eyeliner, I'm doing a new product. This is an eyeliner from Shop Miss A and it's by the brand Santee. And number 6, it is a brown shade. So I'm going in to do my lower lash line, just on the outer portion, to deepen this up. Curl my lashes, ouch. So many freaking new setting sprays that I want to use. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist first. Yes, girl. I'm loving it. Let's go in with the Maybelline setting spray. It's a glass spray. It is makeup finishing setting spray. Skin that looks hydrated and dewy finish. Okay. Ooh. I actually like that mist. For mascara, we're going in with a new product. This is the Milk Kush Mascara. I'm obsessed with this. I've been using this every day since I purchased it. The metal packaging, I really like it. And the mascara is pretty damn good. If I took my time to build this mascara up, I wouldn't need false lashes, but I'm putting them on today. Yeah. For false lashes, I'm going in with the Eyelord London Vegas May Lash. So these are a Shop My Stash product and a new product because I think I've only wore one. I think I wore them once. So we're gonna go in with these lashes and I'll be right back. So lashes are on. I really like these lashes. I forgot. I think I wore them once, like I said, but I forgot how natural they look and they just kind of mesh well with my lashes. Ooh, I really like these lashes. They're cute or whatever. Alright, so let's go in with the lips. The lips are a new product. This is the new nude collection that I got from the Maybelline Superstay matte lipsticks. And this one is in Cocoa Connoisseur. I love a good nude, guys. I love a good nude. This is such a good shade. I've been wearing it a lot to work, even though like you can't see it because of my mask, but does it match? I don't know. I really want to wear this lipstick. Make it work. We will make it work. I like to go in with that, and then I always go in with the Amazonian on top to kind of dull it down a little bit. Like, oh, look at that. Not sure how well this goes together, but we're doing it. And that is the final look with the Shop My Stash / using new products. I know the lipstick doesn't really go well with the eyeshadow, but I bet she doesn't care. If you guys want to see more videos from moi, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I do a video every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I always love rediscovering new makeup when I shop my stash. If you guys want to see more videos like these, don't forget to let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Say bye, Grayson. Say bye. No.